Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video about the Power Quick Pot that we just purchased. This is the 10 quart model, and as you can see it comes with the regular lid with the steam holes there. And for what we're making today, we're actually going to use the normal lid, and we're going to make some chicken noodle soup. So you can see we got the chicken stock, we got some onions, some butter, some noodles. So we're going to go ahead and remove that lid, and we're going to use this other lid that locks into place. And in order to unlock it and vent it, just like that. So we're going to put some ingredients in here, and then we're going to show you how to use it.
Okay, press the saute button, and then the program dial to confirm the beef setting. Press the program dial again to confirm. Add the butter to the inner pot. Cook until it melts. Add onion and carrots. Goes to onions. Hear the sizzling. Saute until the onions soften and become translucent. Just mix this up a bit.
So we got 1 teaspoon of salt. We're using sea salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of basil. A teaspoon of parsley.
Okay, press the cancel button and add the seasonings. Now stir. That looks good. Now we gotta add chicken broth. Now add chicken. There we go. Now we gotta press the lid down. Press the pressure button. Then the program dial to confirm the custom setting. Press the timer button. Set to 7 minutes. And press the program dial to begin cooking.
So we're waiting 7 minutes for our chicken noodle soup, and then we'll add the noodles next. And we're using pre-cooked chicken since we had rotisserie yesterday, and we had leftovers, so we'll see what we get after this. All right, so we are done that portion, and it says to hit the cancel button.
It says to let the quick pot sit to naturally release pressure. And then slide this open.
Well, it's still steaming, but definitely not the same amount of pressure. We want to wait till that calms down a little bit before we pop it open. There we go. Now let's go ahead and turn the lid. Ooh. Nice and bubbly. Go ahead and break apart the chicken. All right, so we've got the chicken shredded.
So we press the saute button and then confirm by pressing this and press it again. Add the noodles.
All right, so that's roughly 6 ounces, even though it calls for 5 ounces. And we've got it on saute. We'll come back to this in a minute. So we were at our 7-minute mark for saute, and everything is looking real nice and smelling real nice. The noodles are almost done. We'll go ahead and let this sit a little more.
Go press the cancel button. Add chicken. Oh, that's hot on the back. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And just a little bit of salt to taste.
Go and taste this to see how it is. Wow. Now that tastes like it's been cooking all day. Very nice. As always, thanks for checking out my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave some comments down in the comment section. See you in the next one.